the problems which were identified, first of all, we're talking to the agriculture field. The other side, we're talking to the health field. So it will be helping in both fields. Yeah, in both fields. So first of all, on the healthy side, we have people in the community who are born just disabled, but most of them, they don't have somebody to take care of them. Even the parents, even the people whom they are living with, you find that at a certain point in time, they get tired to take them, to go take water for them, to go do this for them. So this, it's quite a problem whereby these people, they don't have anything to assist them to carry out different activities at home. As you already know, like here also in the camp, we have the problem of water. You have to move a certain distance to go fetch water. So these people who don't have well-functioning legs and hands or maybe limbs, it's quite difficult for them to find water. And water is really important in our life. Another thing is that this robot, there is the problem in agriculture, which is causing hunger. Malawi, it's agricultural-based country whereby most of the people, they survive through agriculture. But when we take a look at who does the labor for agriculture, it's women. Women are naturally weak. They do not have enough energy for them to carry out tasks and works like in agriculture. You find that they farm a small piece of land. At the end of the year, the food ends within 2 or 3 months. You find like the rest of the days, it's quite difficult for most of the families to survive. Why? Because they have produced less. And also the other thing is that here in Malawi, we only have one rain season. And that one rain season, it's not enough to produce enough food for the whole year. Or maybe other families, they are just too big. Only few farmers engage into irrigation. Why? Irrigation is too tiresome. They have to carry water from a certain source of water to where they want to irrigate, which is quite tiresome. So it makes them to farm on a very small land. Others, they do not go for irrigation just because it's quite tiresome. So how is our robot going to help all these problems? First of all, with the people who are disabled or the people who do not have enough power for them to be productive in life, or maybe to do like some services for themselves, they can use this robot. It's quite like an app whereby they can pick up maybe something from one place to the other. They can go to the borehole and pick up their water to home without them using their power. So in also like this one can be used with people who only have maybe their legs not working. They can use their hands to control this to go take something from one place to the other. The other thing is that they can also use that as replacement for their hands. Those people who do not have hands, they can fix this robot so that the hands can do everything for them. These people who do not have hands, it's hard for them to access education because it's hard for them to write. So this robot will help them, those people who are disabled, to read in normal life as the other people who have hands do. So in agriculture, it will help us in different things. First of all, this one can be used in land preparation. As you see, it has arms which open and close. So these arms can be made of braids or such kind of thing, whereby you can use it to create a very big land so that you can grow more. In terms of irrigation, it can be used to grab water from the water source into the farm, which will make like the farmer to have a very big land to farm even when there is no rain. Look at us now, it's almost January. So due to time, we were not able to finish each and every coding of the program. It was quite tiresome, so we had limited time. But the functionality of this robot is that it can be able to grab something from one place to the other. Okay? And also the problem is that the batteries are not working well. So yeah.
You said that it's able to transport something from one place to another. How can it, like, you take something from this place and you put it somewhere there?
Okay, so as you see, it can move. Like, this is just a sample or small demonstration, which is just took only a few hours. But as you see, it can move this direction and this direction. So it can go grab something from this direction and bring it here. It can also grab something from down and you pick it from up. Okay? So these ones are like hands. They are like hands. They open and close. It's just that we have not yet programmed it, finished the programming so that it can be able to open and close. So opening is for grabbing, then you can move it from one location to the other.
I've got another question. Before I give my question, I think my question, I'll just give one suggestion. Normally in the presentation or when you're like in the competition presenting something, you have to start making your presentation simple and clean. Why I say simple and clean? While you have started talking about the problem that you have faced, you have talked about a lot of problems. Why you should take just one sample? For example, like grabbing something from there. Because if you say to assist somebody to go and fetch water and bring it back, I'll ask you, what is maybe the time or what are maybe the food that can allow it to move from that place to the other place? I think there I'm clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should just base your opinion according to the level of the project. Like maybe grabbing something from one side to the other. And another question, why did you target the most agriculture? Because I don't know, at the other team I've talked about agriculture. Why did you also target that field?
Okay, I targeted that field because first of all, almost 80% of the population here in Malawi, they survive in agriculture. Without agriculture, we can't find food to eat. Food is quite essential, like essential need in our life. Without agriculture, some of the people could not even get a single penny in their pocket because that's their only economic activity. And also, same agriculture helps us to give us oxygen. Without oxygen, we cannot survive.